Welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Dell Windows 10, and this model is Dell Inspiron 13 Series 5000. Now this laptop has a problem. Once you turn it on, you will see it will start acting up. So basically it needs to be wiped clean. You can use this method if you forgot your password or if the laptop is acting up and it's not letting you do any factory reset from the setting itself. So what you need to do is first turn on the laptop, press and hold the shift button, go and restart, continue holding the shift. Once you see this screen, you will press on reset this PC. I suggest removing all files by removing everything. We will go to the next screen right now. Fully clean the drive. Reset. Now once you see the screen, it will be officially resetted, erased everything off of it. However, you would need to connect it to the power source, because if you have a lot of information on the device, you would need to have it connected, because it may take a couple hours, 2 to 3 hours at least. That's if it's not fully. But I don't have a lot of information on this laptop, so it's not gonna take a while. But once it reaches to 99, it will jump on to different screens, make little updates, and once it's done, it will take you back to the activation screen, which I will show you in a minute. I will cut off right now and come back when it's done, so I can show you what you'll be prompted with. I'll be right back. So welcome back. This is the screen that you'll be looking at once it's completed. You just have to go by the activation screen. You have to choose the country, you have to choose the language. If you want to put in your email, it's up to you, or you can just skip it like what I'm doing. If you have any questions, please like and subscribe, and leave your comments in the description if you have any questions. Thank you.